The expenses of moving overseas. An update. Now, one of the things that people don't consider much when they move overseas until it gets to the point that they have to make a choice is how much it costs to move your stuff. Petra and I have been looking at moving companies for the past 3 months, roughly. I don't know the exact total, but we've talked to right around 50 different shipping companies. We've gotten estimates anywhere from, call it $6,000 up to more than $12,000, depending on what's involved. The cheapest ones you pack yourself. Well, we got lucky. Petra found a company that has great reviews but doesn't do a lot of advertising, and that's the one we're going with. We just got the bill by email, and it's also the cheapest one that we have found, oddly enough. A 20-foot shipping container. They bring it here on a trailer, they drop it off on the weekend, on a Friday, they pick it up on a Monday. We load it. It goes from here to the shipping port. I think it's in Bremerhaven. It goes from Bremerhaven to New Orleans, gets put on a barge from New Orleans, goes to Memphis to go through customs. Once it clears customs at Memphis, a trucking company that's been contracted by the shipper takes it from Memphis to our place. Unloading time is kind of crappy. We got 2 hours to unload a 20-foot trailer, and anything over that is 95 bucks an hour. So when it gets to that point, we'll kind of need some help, or being a pail and paying a lot of extra on time. But the shipping company that we found here sent us the final bill for 5,150 euros. To put that in dollars, that's $5,922.50 for a 20-foot shipping container with all of our stuff. And that was the cheapest one we have found. So consider that expense if you decide to move overseas, because it ain't cheap.